So you're in the left lane, and all of a sudden, some person comes up from behind you, and you're going the speed limit. So now, they flash their brights because, they want to be respectful. Please move over. And you're upset. Do you speed up? Do you move over? Well, okay, hold on a minute. He's like, you're out of your way, and he's like, okay. Right? I mean, then they tailgate, then they honk the horn. What do? How many of you actually move over? How many of you, really? How many of you do the opposite? What did you say, sir, back there? So, now, how would you slow down? Would you give me an example of what you would do? Okay, so, brake, someone said brakes, or do you mean brakes like as in slam the brakes on, cause an accident, car slip over, death? Because that's a possibility. Or like brake check. So let me know, what's a brake check? Oh, you tap them? Okay, good. The more islands or the more south I go, the more I get like nicer people. And they're just like, so we're okay here. And just make up a story about whatever that means. And then like you get down to like South Carolina, like a brake check is when you take your car to the mechanic to make sure that the brakes work. And I'm like, I love you, sir. Awesome. In a brake check, you tap your brakes, what are you supposed to do? Oh, that's all. You tap the brake. So you go. You tap your brake, your tail goes up, and then you go right underneath your car. You tap your brake and you hit the accelerator, and only one person actually gets into an accident. Either way, something's going to happen because it's an automatic response. So why is it as human beings, when I ask you, how do we get that person to move over to the right, or to speed up, your automatic response is in a millisecond, up your horn, tailgate, and flash your brakes. But someone does that same behavior to you, and you immediately do the exact opposite of what behavior you want to have happen. Does that make any sense?